Abby.
Hi. Hi, Evan.
Hey.
You're gonna be 2.
G.
2 next month.
Jim.
Yes, October 20.
Daddy down.
Yes. What do you
Yes.
like? How you feeling? You're cool. You're cool. Coolest kid ever.
Mama.
Go like that. What do you like to do?
Do.
What do you like to do?
Do.
You like to play with trucks? Yeah. You like to dance? What about... You want to learn how to play rock, paper, scissors? You do? Yes?
Do.
Yes?
Did it go?
Okay, this is how you play. This is rock,
Duck.
paper,
A bag.
scissors.
Yes.
And then you go like this. Rock, paper, scissors.
Like this.
Ew.
1,
Do.
2, 3,
Go. Go.
You like to look at yourself? You like to make movies? Okay. You like taking pictures too? Oh, you like the phone?
Hey. Hey.
What?
Daddy. Oh.
Have you been practicing?
Okay.
Nose.
Nose.
Your teeth?
D.
Where's your teeth?
D.
Teeth. And your eyes?
D.
Your eyes? Where's your eyes? Your eyes? Mm-hmm.
Eh.
listen to the music, feel the beat. See the
Bye.
Baby.
Bye-bye.